Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat login error on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. If you have been encountering that kind of problem again and again on your app, the very first reason for it to be is that if your app is not being updated or not. So for that you go to your app store and go back, and here in the search bar you're gonna cross this out and type in Snapchat. Search it up, and now go ahead, tap on a Snapchat app, and now you can see we have our app updated. So that's why we have option of open instead of update. If yours is not, you're gonna find update, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and simply it will update your app, and that will also help solve the problem of you encountering the login errors. If it does not help, then you go back after updating, go to settings, and you simply go back. Let me show you the whole process again. So after that, when you are here in the settings, go to search bar and simply type in storage for the shortcut and tap on the storage option, and now it will show you the iPhone storage of yours, including your particular app storage. You can see we can find that up our Snapchat app right over here. Now you're gonna go ahead, offload your app. What it will do is it will simply uninstall your app and delete the storage it was holding, but it will still keep the information and data of your app, so you don't have to worry about it. Simply offload your app, again go to App Store, reinstall your app, enter the information and get into it, and you will be able to solve that particular login error of yours. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.